this video, we will show you how to safeguard the power supply to your onboard unit. The driver is responsible for ensuring that the onboard unit never runs out of power to avoid getting fines. The best way to do this is through a fixed installation. To learn how this can be safely fitted in your truck cabin, watch our video tutorial, Fixed Installation. If you don't have a fixed installation, you can use a cigarette lighter. But be aware that this can be unreliable, and you need to watch the battery status of your onboard unit. If there is a problem with the power supply and the battery level goes to below 25% or even 10%, the onboard unit will beep and display a warning message. Please reconnect to the power supply. To return to the normal screen display, press OK. If the onboard unit is not on charge at all, at some point it will run out of power and the device will switch off, as the internal battery only lasts for 3 to 4 hours. If this happens, please act quickly. For more information and any detailed questions that you may have, contact your supervisor or fleet manager.